De größte Keulen in der Welt ist du an Eichlers. Von was? De meeste seforim. Was macht der Keule groß? Das seforim.
Okay.
No, by far, yeah.
Das können wir doch nicht.
Also, damit kommen sitzen du. I say, you walk in any time, wir sind mit dem Stein du und kicken nach ans seforim.
Ach, schon, jetzt haben wir über 200 Agudes. Die größte Auswahl available, kannst kommen, kicken, browsen, schwarzen, alles was neu.
Oh, wow, so a sticker was an idea.
All the new ones, alle neu.
How many new ones do you have this year?
Depends, every time it's in and out, aber I'm not sure exact number, ich muss sagen. Aber Bachshem, du alles sorten, every time, Masses, Yiddish, English, what do you know?
Every type of Agud in the world you can find in Eichlers.
The biggest selection.
And you can sit here and just browse.
Kimmer.
Heshin, this is not from Lushan Kodesh, hast du über 100.
Ja, du kannst hin, English.
In English.
100%.
Hast du andere Sprachen auch?
Ja, ganze Selection, huge selection von alle Sorten, von Farbe, von Kinder. Jetzt haben wir Special, uns ging haben angebankt Special, nicht ganz Deluxe, angebankt mit groß Eis und kann prischen, bei der ältere Gebe. Groß ist, was kauft von der Seite, von der Tate, kauft von Scheiner Gute.
That's nice.
Leidner Gutes. Big text, no groß Eis. Große bequeme Eis und kann prischen. Das sind
Klum, so kennen so der Geschmack.
Wow. Ganz Selection, war auch alle Colors, Ladies, Girls, alles, was du willst da. Das mach auf dem Spot, der Name auch.
Der Name auf dem Spot machst du?
Warte. Kijk, wie gemacht jetzt? Oh, man hat jetzt gemacht eins?
Oh wow, geh mal kicken, das Schimmen Blumenberg. Schimmen allein, embossed.
Das war embossed.
We have a embossing machine. Nice, wow. Hebben we embossing on the spot. On the spot. So pickst daar goede you want, oder de gierige, oder de ledene, and on the spot. Hey, she weiß doch Silber darauf.
Yeah.
So, hey, she got you in the house over here.
War de crystal, herrliche crystal, de ganze section von dir. Kijk, du uns haben alle auch an Top, all the top ones. Kijk, die große selection. Von Lucite, von das.
Acrylic.
$50 Lucite. Mamisch,
oh wow.
Mamisch billig.
$50 daar heilige.
Heilige Sachen. Kijk, alle size, alle colors, different types, all different types. Mit den Stands haben die Fies aufzulegen, hinterlegen. These are only top, these are the top.
Top quality.
Yeah. Not top quality.
Not top quality ook niet.
Yeah.
Of meinst du the flat ones?
The flat ones gaan
top. Maar in de box, de grootste kaart
de matzo boxes. Kijk.
Matzo boxes.
Kimst du zu Eichler, hast du de größte selection. Alle companies, alle
Sorten. Das war größte Matzes.
De größte Matzes.
En de größte Matzes en nog de grootste kaart.
Ja, nog eenmaal. Kimst du Eichler, weißt du, you have the selection, the größte selection, alle companies in one place. Kannst alles sehen du, in der Seite, was du willst. Du hast die Fies aufheben, die Tellers. Beches, alle size Beches.
Einer von schmucken mit kleinen Kindern, will 10 Beches, 20 Beches an Seite.
100%. Haben du $2 Becher.
$2 Becher?
Ja, zum ganzen Selection, alle sizes, für kleine Pulver, für die Skier. Also noch Carry Tops. Alle mit gutes Stands.
Gaan we nog van deze? Alle broekjes.
Das ist spät. Wir haben noch mehr, nehmt euch da gute.
Oh wow.
Wenn es wird messy.
Je wilt dus de grape shells always know that good.
Also de acrylic. Yeah. This is a custom-made thing. It's a mamish.
Beautiful.
It's a mamish. Not that good, like that good. Als de Noorderzag was machen crumbs.
I love that idea.
It's a Steinze, Mechaie.
Schein. Steinze ja. Kost dat jullie.
Alle sizes, nog gewoon. Alle styles, alle sizes. Traditional, das, silber, falsche, crystal. Kijk, het is waarschijnlijk crystal, das. Alle Sorten. Kijk, je nooit. Alle Wamba, du hast eine ganze riesige Selection von
Crystal
decanters, alle sizes, alle Sorten. Again, all companies in one place.
This is mal die Ausstellung. You have every company on the one roof.
100%. Kannst du was sehen? Kannst du alle companies von Malchus, Mefoye, Kette, Waterdale, you name it. Feldart, Gatschenschap, Hashem.
You have everybody on the one roof.
You come, you have the selection.
Matzetaschen, give a kick. Sets.
Alle sets. Mamish does alle sort prices.
Last set got hoeveel takken?
$200.
$200 for beautiful sets.
Heerlijke sets. Mamish.
Everything included.
Has alle size, alle sorten, alle every different types. 170, I set 170. Alle size, all different price points. It's allemaal van $8-9.
Kind.
$8-9. Nein, voor kinderen. Mensen willen voor alle taal. Ik heb dat ook iets. Het is allemaal de selection. Nachman, hast du alles so. Malchus, Mefoye, Kette.
Die bestaan maar achter die iedereen.
Everyone hast du die ganze selection. Darfst du laufen zu 6 Plätze, kicken für alle styles. Kommt ein Platz, hast alle sizes, alle styles. And you're covered. Warum ich dachte, gute stands. Look how nice. Kannst du een heerlijke present dabei.
And this holds it open.
Holds it open, and the pages.
This is a nice gift. This is a nice gift.
Heerlijke gift kaufen voor de waab, voor de man.
It doesn't get dirty, doesn't get full of grape juice.
On top,
What's this over here? It's a waterproof.
Also, this is a leather, as a sort of leather. Also for the bruches.
For the bruches, not for the bruches. So you're saying after, I like to make that good, and this. Beautiful, this is gorgeous.
Oh, it's leather.
It's funny, I advertised so many silver stores in the last 2 weeks, but I still love it. There's something special about acrylic and leather.
It's a nice, clean, it's a very
clean
nice
look.
thing. Yeah.
Beautiful. All styles, all types. Very good. And how much does this cost, Beirich?
Yeah, different. This is 200.
$295. Yeah. Beautiful, actually.
Also die auch nice ones on the stands.
Oh, so you can like the matzahs into them. Yeah. Beautiful. In the kinder davon hebben ze spelen like ganze Yom Tov. You got the children covered over here, Chavre. Every type of book under the moon. Actually, where were these comic books when we were kids? Ze is gewend als dat, no?
Tinten.
Laafdel, boy. Tinten.
Er wordt hem af en toe
the comic books. De boeken blijven dus ook, don't worry.
100%. Mensen komen met een lijn toe, it's dus.
You think you let anybody come in and read over here?
Ach, wie lang it's not blocking, Gesundheit.
Beautiful, Chavre. Every type of comic book you could think of, he got you covered here, Heshi. Beautiful. Staat zich Heshi dat men kan gaan op Yom Tov?
Alle cookbooks, van de balbustes to the heimische kitchen, to the Engelspassel, alles so, with the new also, the Baptist kitchen.
You could have, for every day of Pesach, another cookbook, Chavre. Beautiful, the famous New Baptist cookbook. Everything here. Heshi, the wall of toys.
This is to keep the kids busy for Pesach.
The mitzvah, you see some time.
Alles, the ganze toy, a ganze Sache viel mit toys, games, whatever, from the frogs to the coloring your own pillow, mit the coloring this, mit the puppets, mit
the masks.
I
tell you a secret, Heshi. Mam tate koif deze bij de cider en zoek dich alle einiglich. From 3 years old, 4 years old, they're glued by the Master System Slime. He acts it out, and it's something beautiful.
Wow.
So you have a whole wall over here. Alle die mine Sachen.
Alles so.
It's beautiful. The finger puppets, very cute.
Alles so, frogs, jumping,
alle
dancing. Dus nog. En hast auch du alle size du, alles so, ganze Sachen, games, toys.
Take the markets to the next level, Chavre.
The whole side is, nicht nur the markets, the ganze side.
Ganze side to the next level. Beautiful stuff over here in Eichler's. Heshi, 1350 at the corner. Come around, you got everything. They got a tent outside, so in case it's raining, got the cover over here. Dort mit der Gering Glad, come on, Cliff and Feine Matze. Dort mit Gering Glad, they came all the way from where?
I'm from here, I'm from New York. He's from New York.
Heshi, you see, you have guys coming all the way from?
Los Angeles.
Los
LA.
Angeles, where's that? In
somewhere in America.
Vegas? No, where's that? Anyway, you have guys coming from California, special to Eichler's.
The best place. Every time I come to New York, that's the place to come to buy stuff for my kids. For Yom Tov, everyone, you're welcomed.
I'm saying more than that. You can tell you because you bought it on Eichler's. So forget about the actual thing you're buying. You can tell them where you bought it, this line
100%. If you're buying Eichler's, that's all the difference.
The name, the brand, Eichler's.
That's when you're in LA, make sure to check out the Tom Shabbos.
Tom Shabbos?
Yeah.
Was that a new store?
Takeout.
Not new,
but takeout.
Takeout Shabbos, the best food. In LA, anytime you're there, make sure you step out.
Tom Shabbos in LA,
You have to go check it.
Okay, we have to do a vlog in LA one day, no?
You're welcome.
How followers that, yeah?
100%.
LA. All right, has your phone number for somebody else to order on the phone?
100 Eichler's.
100 Eichler's, simple.
Sure, you have a website also.
Website is?
Everything's on the website. 100 Eichler's. WhatsApp, phone, anything you want. You have people answering the whole day, 10 to 10. And for sure, same day delivery, Borough Park, Flatbush, all over, all the 5 towns, Williamsburg, whatever.
Same day delivery.
Same day delivery.
It's crazy. Last but not least, if you couldn't make it to the school this year, a lot of people couldn't make it. Yeah, people go every year to the store for Pesach. This year they couldn't make it. This is the place you have to come at Pesach. Just I want to tell you guys, 13th and 50th, it is the most geschmacked place to be in Yom Tov. So if you're never in America, this is the place to be.
Another thing, small the tzitzis.
The tzitzis.
The tzitzis, I want to tell you also, same thing, we all the company tzitzis.
The company tzitzis.
And again, as I say always, we meet any sale price. Any sale price anyway, we meet every price.
If somebody brings you a price from a different store,
any price, we'll meet.
You'll match that.
We'll match it, 100%.
Kevin, did you hear that?
100%.
He matches the price. Heshi, I don't know how you do it, but keep it up.
Baruch Hashem, we have everyone, we work with everyone, we have the biggest selection, and we're here to service every customer.
Kevin, come around and tell Heshi you saw in a different store for a cheaper price. I'll match it to you. It's my lechtig and feilig and kushen Yom Tov. Hesh, we missed one valuable point over here, the toy section. I came back all the way just to get now.
100%.
Again, the toy section.
Now, you know, jetzt ist der Afikoimen-Presents.
That's it.
Sachmenschen kaufen Farbpeisel und Afikoimens. It's a liking sauce to make the kids into
wow, so good idea. So, the Bashas side, they put a nice table with the presents.
Yeah, there
The kids stay up.
Also, the ganze selection, alle jüdische Games, toys, for the ganze family, alle Kinder, card games, regular games, board games. No, why not let them enjoy it for Paisach Hochitz?
100%. Was noch Paisach was the point?
Ach, jetzt sind wir jetzt auch Mitzvah-Kinder, alle Mitzvah-Kinder, Seforim, Mitzvah-Kinder, Sterne.
Wow, alle meine Seforim, alle meine Geschmacke Gifts for kids, for girls, for boys, for adults.
Oh, schön.
Tatas, Mamas.
Mitzvah-Kinder, alle Mitzvah-Kinder-Sets, alle.
Oh, I always wanted. When I was a kid, they were around, God. This I remember from my childhood.
Ja, Baruch Hashem. Alle Pen Pal, a great series. The Pen Pal is a moeilijke zaak.
Wow, you're good here.
Alle jüdische
We
books.
forgot one thing, the fly girl in the front. Then I had a collection.
Warte, it's flying. It's in
Yeah,
the
you have
front.
it?
Ja, warte.
It's flying, it's flying?
Yeah. It's a
Very
good
nice.
set. Als alle Pen Pal books auch, it's fully zaak.
Very cute, very
Very
cute.
good series, very shiny series. Als alle jüdische Bücher. Baruch Hashem.
Have it?
Already.
Heshe, but you got everything?
Baruch
That's
Hashem.
it.
Fully stacked, and we're here to service all customers.